Hello YouTube, in this video we're going to show you how to install and use AOMEI Backupper Standard. This is a review and how to. First thing you want to do, see how you have AOMEI Backup Standard right here. Click on Download Freeware. Now here you can click the version for that which you need. AOMEI Backupper Standard 2.0 for Windows 8.1, 8.7, Vista, and XP. Or you can come over here to the slightly smaller file that's for Windows 8.1, 8, and Windows 7. If you're not going to be using the older ones, why download the larger file? Click Local Download right here underneath the one for 8.1, 8, and Windows 7. If you do happen to have Vista or XP, you will want to click on the other one. Click Save. Why would you be running Vista or XP? No one knows. If you are, you probably need to upgrade, especially since there's no longer support for Windows XP. Once it's finished downloading, click on the file. This is Google Chrome naturally. There's the open file security warning. Click Run. User account control will pop up. Click Yes. Now that the installer's up, you can either shrink your web browser or close it. Click Next. Yes, I want to uninstall the old version of Backupper. Hey look, Malware Fighter popped up. If you have it installed, this may happen from time to time while you're installing a program. Just click Allow. Are you sure you want it completely? Yes. If you do not have it installed, you will not have the option to uninstall it. That is fine. That's normal. You will end up coming straight to this screen, which will click Next. Click I accept the agreement. Next, 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 install. That's going to go through and install AOMEI Backupper Standard Edition 2.0. There's a lot of issues that were in the older version that were fixed in this one. Let's hope all of them were fixed, but there were a lot of issues that were taken care of and resolved in this version. I don't know about doing the network backup, as I have not done a network backup in a very long time. Now we're going to execute AOMEI Backupper. Click Yes once user account control comes up. And just like the old version, you have Create New Backup. You can click on this, start setting up the backup. If you go to Backup, you can back up the files. You can do a full system backup, disk backup, or a partition backup. In most cases, if you do the partition backup, it'll back up the partition as it is on the hard drive. If you plan on reusing that hard drive or have another one just like it and you end up having to do a restore, you can restore the partition. You can also back up and restore that partition to any hard drive, which means if you want to have a duplicate backup, this works. You can actually do that backup. You have a duplicate backup on another partition that is the partition of the drive that you backed up. Restoring is very simple. Select Restore, pull it up, restore it. Cloning is absolutely awesome. You do the disk clone from one drive to another, and it works out great. You can also clone one partition from one volume to another. That works out very well as well. The utilities, you can check the images, make sure they are okay. With this one, you can actually make images and restore them. If you want to keep an image of your system, you can create an entire image of your computer as it is, as it's running right now, provided you have enough space to perform this type of a backup. If your system ever goes down, all you have to do is get Windows installed, bring up your AOMEI Backupper, restore the partition, bam, you're right back up and running right where you last left off. No harm, no foul. I do recommend AOMEI Backupper as it is a very good backup solution. This information is out there for absolutely everybody. As always, watch, like, and share. Have a great day. Oh, and it's free.